second part video of choosing your niche. So next we are going to go to find the Google Sheets, and you can find it in your Google portal, which you will find at the bottom of your screen. You can get into and pop up at any time. Into your Google Docs. On. Now go to start a new spreadsheet. Click on this. I've added a title so that I don't lose my information. And now I'm going to go into File, Import, Show. Wait for your pop-up box. Click. The easiest way to do it is to click on Upload. And then go to the bottom of your screen. You'll see Keyword Tool Exported, CSV, Show in Folder. Drag and drop that into this box. You will see the blue dotted lines come up, and you know that it is ready to be copied. And then just import the data. And you can open it to see. Okay, so wait until you have the two-headed arrow, pull it across, and everything that turns blue in between, you will be able to put your information in. So this is the one that I got for the YouTube information. So we're just going to click Import. Upload. And this one is Show in Folder. This is all the information that I got from the keyword tool. I'm now importing it into a spreadsheet. So we want to replace data in a selected cell. I'm going to import the data. Okay. So now this is from it's shaded blue first. You have to make sure it's shaded blue. There we go. And then you want to get your other information. I see this has pulled the information in twice. Oops, we don't want that yet. We want to go to the file and then to import upload and then select from show in folder. Make sure you have the blue dotted line while you're uploading. Make sure you are clicking in replace data at selected cell. Here is your selected cell right there. And then you're going to import the data. So choose a niche for your blog, choose a niche to sell, choose a niche topic. Why choose a niche market, choose a blog. So these are the questions that I downloaded. And here so this is how you can keep a record from the keyword tool imported into your Google Sheets.